So there are three telltale ways that you know that you are entering the crown era or that you have not quite arrived, but you're there. Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your crown era. And many people ask me, why did I name my channel the crown era? Well, because when you hit this postmenopause or premenopause era, there's a different switch that happens within your life. You become more self-involved and self-explore and have self-exploration that it just makes a switch within your mind, at least I believe biologically and spiritually, that you are on a path of service through your wisdom and not just your man-made wisdom, the knowledge that you have acquired throughout the years, but also your crown wisdom, meaning the infinite intelligence that spirit gives you because now you are more open. I kind of think about it like this. When we were born, the top of our crown had a little hole in it and it was open. And as a child, children are more connected to spirit. And then over time, that hole or that gap began to close, and it's like a closed door. But somehow, spiritually, I don't know if it's physically, but at least spiritually, that door begins to open even more so after or during menopause and then postmenopause. See, the crown era is also a part of the three levels of the goddess, the maiden, the mother, and the crone. I just didn't really like crone, and so I created the crown. But it is truly that is the archetype that I was thinking about in this particular for this particular channel. So going back, the three signs that you know you're in your crown era. One is that when you think about your memories in your past, it's only a recall. You're not trying to relive it. What do I mean that by that? You can recall your past, the good, the bad, the ugly, and be separate emotionally from them. You're not trying to be young, but you can recall them with ease, with grace, for the wisdom, for the knowledge, so that it takes you and the people who you are serving um, as examples, as ways of being, as learning lessons, as triumphs. So when you're in your crown era, you don't want to relive your past. You're 100% happy at where you are. Like me, I am 100% happy at 55. Yes, I am. Do I want to be 25? No. Oh my God. When I think about the decisions I was making when I was 25, when I was 35, by 45, I was doing pretty good mentally and emotionally. But my 35 and 25, honey, I can tell you some stories. But those stories are my wisdom for the younger generation, as well as for myself now, not to make those choices because they didn't really serve me. They served me at that time, but they definitely wouldn't serve me now in my crown era. So definitely, that's the first thing. You can recall for wisdom for service, but you don't want to relive the younger days. The second way that you know that you are living in your crown era or that you are arriving into your crown era is that you don't punish. Mm-mm-mm. What you do is you provide sacred service rather than sacrifice. So you're not punishing yourself when you do things, say go to recess or AKA the gym, or when you go shopping. When you go into a dressing room, just because something doesn't fit, you don't punish yourself. You don't have negative talk. You are adapting to your body, to the way you look. You don't go do all of the things that society says that you should do to try to stay young. You want to still be beautiful. You still want to feel good in your body. And so that is your sacred service to yourself. You're not sacrificing, how do I want to say it, spirit? You're not sacrificing your current state of being to try to be something else. You're honing in to all your assets because you have them. You know you have them and you're honing into those assets to deliver the best, pleasurable, joyful life that you can. And that's why I say have your best life ever, whatever that means for you, because everyone wants pleasure, life, and joy in a particular area of their life. It's very rare that we all have everything 100% exactly the way we want it because we always still want something else, even though we at a certain plateau or level. Um, Within time, we say, what can I have more of? What can I have more of? And that is just sacred service to yourself. It's never a sacrifice and you're never punishing yourself. So that's number two. The third one is that you choose wisdom over anything. You choose wisdom over anything. You know how to tap into yourself and go into your body and into your intuitive space and make choices and become neutral when things go awry. There's no blame. There's no backstabbing. There's no gossip. There's no none of that stuff because you see life in a different level. You see life as unconditional love and you don't see life as being a problem solver. No, 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 no. You look at life as profit, um, and let's see, profit and provider and peace. Those are like bridges. Peace, you bridge peace with profit and providing, not just for you, but for others. That's how I see it. And so you're in sacred service, you're in your sacred wisdom, and you're not trying to solve problems of other people. You're not the queen of let me help you. It's service. It's let me show you, let me teach you, let me tell you this story. That's choosing wisdom over fixing someone else's problems. That's sacred service. That is when your well being is priority and you allow people to pull themselves up to your floor or to your status, to your foundation, and then you can move together, or you wind up allowing them to go their own way in their own path. And I used to say in my 40s that you allow people to graduate from you or you graduate from them. It's not about cutting people off. It's about you decided to go left and I decided to go right. And if we see each other again, we do. And if we don't, I love you and I love you with an open heart and you wish them well wherever they are and whatever season that they go through. So those are the not three main reasons, but just three reasons. I think I'm gonna create a little series for this because a lot of people do ask me, why your crown era? What does that truly mean? For me, it's twofold. It's the crown that we wear as queens, as the protector of our own lives, as a sovereign beings, and also through our intuition is our crown chakra, where our wisdom just continues to flow in, and it just don't flow in from root. I mean, from the crown to the third eye to the throat. It goes through the whole channel, all the way down to our root chakra, to our ground, to Gaia, where we just here and we live life beautifully and honestly and we have hope and pleasure and all those great, wonderful things. And we do it through a myriad of ways. So, yeah. Um, if you want to have if you have any questions or you need any clarity, or if you want to know if you're in your crown era, go ahead and put a comment. That's how I listen to you guys. I'm a great listener, 100%. Everybody says I'm an empathetic listener. That's why I do counseling and coaching because I want to hear from you. And the only way that I can hear from you is that you put it something in the comments. And that way, when I read it, I can hear your voice, your mindset, and I can adapt and talk to you that way. I hope to do a live, but I need you guys to subscribe so then I can start doing lives because, I can't do lives yet. I need more subscribers. I need more of you in the comments and sharing this video. Do you know any other women that's in the crown era in which that I've detailed? Are you in your crown era? Go ahead and let me know. I do have a quick love immersion coming up. It's in just a couple of days. Oh my God. And just in what, 3 days? Today is Wednesday, 1, 2, 3, 4 days, you guys. In 4 days, you can come to the love immersion, drip yourself in your own deliciousness. This is a way to embody self-love at a deeper level for yourself. You will have somatic tools to support you. The event is only about an hour. It's $22. It's definitely a small investment into how I coach and how I support women to navigate their lives the way they truly want. And to just have that information in the description box. I think I'll also try to put it and remember to put it in the pinned comments. And yeah, so I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I have your greatest interest at heart. Bye.